We are pleased to show you the 2021 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.